Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today we are talking about a very interesting topic: 3 secret tricks to fix your Facebook ad. Have you noticed in the recent time that your Facebook ad is no longer giving results? Or you'll be placing ads, sometimes you even increase the budget, you change the audience, and you do all of that, and yet you are still not getting the result that you are used to get before. Sometimes you may think that it's because of competitions, or maybe Facebook has changed its algorithm, and so many other things like that. Today in this video, we are going to look at 3 things that you can do to fix your ad, to fix the result you are getting from your ad from Facebook. 3 things. So welcome to my channel. Thank you. The first things to fix your ad result is to sell the right product. This might sound a little bit controversial because you'll be asking, okay, I have my product already, I'm into one business or the other already. How do I now change to start selling a right product? And how do I know which one is the right product? You may be right, but let me tell you this: no matter how much you put into Facebook ad, if your product in that location is not what people need at that time, you might not get result. So one thing you can do, if you are selling a physical product, you are into e-commerce, you are selling a physical product, is to test a product first. You might start selling samples. You might even use the picture or the video and run ad to see people's reactions before you order for the product, before you bring the product from China or from anywhere, or before you even manufacture the product locally, or before you get it in bulk purchase. Try to get samples and test Facebook ad and see how people will react to this ad. If it's giving you a good result, if people are reacting very well, then you know that you are into a good business. But if it is a digital content, I will advise you to do your research. Go on Google, do your research on all the search engines and see how people are reacting to the topic of what you are trying to create, whether it is an ebook or an online course. Are people actually interested in your topics before you even produce the product? So try to sell the right product. No matter how much you put into ad, if you are not selling the right product in your location, you might not get result. So the first thing you must do to get result from now on in 2025 is to look for the right product. I've been to e-commerce and I know what I'm talking about. I can tell you that there are products, you try to sell it, you run ad, you change the audience, you augment the budget, you change the content, the graphic, everything, but yet the result is not coming. Once you change the product and you start selling something else, the same audience, even lesser budget, will give you better result and you maximize your profit. So this is a very key, important point for you to know. Don't just stick to one product and say, this is what I'm selling and I must sell it with Facebook ad. It will not work like that. So change the product. Try to test the market. See what people are liking, what people want before you start selling it in bulk. The second thing that you need to fix for your Facebook ad to work is content. Content is king. Okay, people will like to interact with an engaging and a very dynamic content. And how do you do this? You don't just get any kind of image or video out there and start using it. And you have to be very careful. If people already know about this product and they have already been seeing the content or the video about this product already, you might want to change it. You might want to produce something that belongs to you. Use your own camera, use your own phone, use your own people to create a content. Talk about the product, demonstrate it. Okay, let people know that you know what you are talking about. Let that content be authentic. Let it be from you. All right. So before you are able to fix your Facebook ad, the content must be from you. Okay, work on it, design it, take the product, take the picture by yourself. Don't just use any studio picture or from any website that you see on Alibaba or on any other site and you just start using it. You can take the picture yourself, take the video of the product, demonstrate it, showcase it in one way or the other, and let people see that you know you have it, you know what you're talking about, so that it can assure them that this thing you are selling is actually good, it can work for them, and if it is not working, they know who to hold accountable. All right, so the content you are going to use for your ad is very, very key for success. So use an engaging content, dynamic content, work on it, edit it very well. Use a professional editor to edit it very well before you start posting it and start running ad. The last point we are going to look at today to fix your ad is the timing. You see, people are not online always like before. Before, people were really crazy about online stuff, and they can be scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. And it also depends on your market, your audience. When you take weekend, for instance, you may think that people will be online during weekend, but that may not be true. People may be even busier during the weekend because they've worked during the week and they're now trying to fix their own life. They are trying to go to the market, to shop, in the supermarket and all that. So they might not be with their handset all the time. So one thing that I noticed personally is that there are time frame, there are timing during the day where ad will work and give you result than some other time. All right, so you need to understand where you are living. Which country are you living? Are you living in America, or in Europe, or in Africa, or in Asia? From which time to which time are people at work? From which time to which time people are sleeping? So you run your ad during the time where you notice that there is heavy traffic. People can be free to scroll through their Facebook pages, their Facebook account, their Instagram account. They can be online to see your ad, because you are not running this ad for every other person or just like that. You are running it for people to see it before they can click it and engage with you. So if people are not online or you are not interacting with the platform on which you are running your ad, they may not click on your ad. So instead of you wasting your money on budgeting, on ad budget, and running it all throughout the day and throughout the week and not getting results, why don't you target the right timing? You see, so it's no longer about the budget, it's no longer about the audience or even the content now. It's about the timing. Is it in the morning that you get better results? You can test it. You can test your ad in the morning, test it in the afternoon, or in the evening. I do one thing personally. I on my ad and run it throughout the evening when people are coming back from work in my location, my country. When people are coming back from work, they stay more online from the evening throughout the night. And when it is almost midnight, I off it because I know people are going to sleep. They may not be online through midnight till morning. Then in the morning, I on it again and I get results. So this is what you are going to be doing. You test your ad during some time frame of the day to see which time of the day in your location work for which product. This is how you fix your Facebook ad, not by budget, not by audience and all of that. Audience is very important. And one thing I also notice is that when one audience is not working, you can change it. Just play around it. Play around the audience. The only time you increase budget is when you are actually getting result with your product, with your audience. Then you can increase the budget to see more result or more conversion. So you don't just increase budget so that you fix your ad. You waste money and waste money and waste money. So I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you learned something from this topic. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, you can also put it in the comment section, and we'll talk about it in the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like the video. See you next time.